empty bar. Another glass and I am going places.